Alright guys, I'm back with update. Got a new truck. It ain't really that new. I got it last week. It's 2006 Cummins 2500 Bighorn edition. It's got rims and tires, 5-inch exhaust and chip. That's about all it's got. It's automatic. I'm probably not going to upgrade it that much till I get the tranny built. And I'm not doing that till I get it paid off, so it's going to be staying like this for a little while. It's a good looking truck. It's pretty quick, ain't all that good on top end, but I like it. It's got a rip there and just a little wear there, but overall it's a good looking truck. It was $16,000, so put down payment on, and gotta sell that other truck, get the rest of the money, and work more for it. Guess I'll start it up for you. There you go. Only problem with it, RPM gauge, a little jacked up, but only 170,000 miles. I'll rev it.